Yeah, we let the battery and the screen display full of water, the rear wheel, and the motor parts. Okay. Yeah, we let the display and the battery full of water, and also the rear wheel. Okay, now we will check what happened of how the X8 electric scooter works. Yeah, this can steer 10 on smoothly. And now we will do a testing of this scooter. Let's welcome our technical person to do it. Okay, the technical person are doing the riding testing now. Yeah, the X8, after waterproof testing, this can still works well. Yeah, no problem. Okay, now we are ready to do the test of our max loading ability of X8 pendants. And this car is about 1,000 kilograms. We will use this car to press the X8 pendants. And now let's do the test. Okay, now we are doing the testing now. Yeah, we can see the second time. Yeah, let's see the exciting time. Yeah. This is the second time to press the X8 pendants, and there are no problem. But this can also work well. Yeah, you can ride in it. Yeah, we can ride in it smoothly and no problem of this. Yeah, strong enough. Okay, now we are doing a wire and job testing of our electric scooter. Let's do it. Let's check what happened of our electric scooter. Yeah, almost no breakage of our scooter. Break the wheel and also the rear wheel and the pole and also the hand grip. No breakage of electric scooter, only a little bit hand grip have some, have some influence, but this cannot influence the turn on. You can see this can still work well. We can turn on the scooter well. Yeah, the function is good. Now we will let our technical to test the functions of a scooter. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, today we are going to do a testing of our X8 electric scooter. This is the max loading testing for our hand brake. Yeah, hand brake loading testing we will do right now. And for this testing, we have prepared two standard weights. There is 25 kilograms per one weight. Let's try one of each side. Okay. Yes, we will put the 25 weights on it. Yes, it's 25 weights. And another side. Yeah, there are 25 weights on each side, total 50 kilograms. Yeah, this is the loading testing of our hand brake. Now let's check. Okay, finish it.